Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to log into WhatsApp without SIM card. Firstly, link to an existing account. Download and open WhatsApp on your seamless device. On the phone number in the screen, tap the three dots and select link as companion device. A QR code will display on your screen. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone. Go to settings, link devices, or link a device, scan the QR code. Secondly, use an external phone number. Open WhatsApp on your seamless device, enter your phone number of other active phone. Check the other phone for the 6-digit SMS verification code sent by WhatsApp. Type that code into your seamless device. Type that code into your seamless device to complete the login. Thirdly, use a landline number. Open WhatsApp and select your country. Enter your landline number. Wait for the standard SMS verification timer to run out. Tap didn't receive code and select the call me options. Answer the automated call on your landline and note down the 6-digit code dictated to you. Enter the code into WhatsApp to activate. Fourthly, use a virtual phone number. Download a virtual number app like Google Voice or TextNow from your app store. Create an account to claim a free virtual phone number. Input this virtual number into your WhatsApp setup screen. Look inside your virtual number apps for the SMS verification code. If you still have any questions, comment down below.